What's up, y'all? This is Lil Zeric 2 Official. So look, today I'm gonna do a vlog today. You know what I'm saying? It's my first vlog. So today we gonna work out today. It's my first time working out within 2 months. You know what I'm saying? I ain't worked out in 2 months. So I'm finna get back to it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take y'all on a journey. So I'm gonna hit y'all back up once I get to the gym. On my way in the gym, you know what I'm saying? Lips kind of dry. Just so y'all we ain't doing no capping. I'm really going in the gym. I don't want to get copyright, so I'll be right back.
All I'm saying.
Just got it in on the workout side. I feel good. I sweated. I did about 40 minutes on a treadmill. You know what I'm saying? I did 20 minutes of speed walking and another 20 minutes of jogging. Then the other rest of the time, I just grabbed the weights, let my body know that we're gonna be in here. Did some abs. I feel good. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to drop, a few pounds. The last time I weighed myself, I was like 278. You know what I'm saying? But it's not like I'm like super fat or nothing like that. It's just like I'm mostly like solid. You know what I'm saying? Because a few months ago I was in jail. You know what I'm saying? So I picked up a lot of weight in jail. You know what I'm saying? And I was doing a little bit of workout. Mostly I was just lifting heavy. So yeah, so basically I'm just trying to drop some of this fat that I got, and then I'm gonna pack it on with some muscle. You know what I'm saying? A lot of reps. You know what I'm saying? Just y'all stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be doing this, man. The number one thing in life, you know what I'm saying? You gotta do what make you happy and do what make you feel good. See, I had bad habits. I'm not gonna sit on here and say that I didn't have bad habits. I had bad habits. You know what I'm saying? I drink. You know what I'm saying? I did a little bit of smoking. And I was doing that like almost every day. So now, since I got out, but now I'm just turning all my bad habits into good habits. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep doing that, and see what the results gonna be at the end. But I know it's gonna be good, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm trying to go up. You know what I'm saying? I'm already at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just trying to go up. And the reason why I'm making this vlog, because I want to take y'all on my journey. You know what I'm saying? I want to take y'all with me on this ladder that I'm climbing. Right now I'm at the bottom. You know what I'm saying? If y'all don't know, I got my own business. I got my own credit repair business and a lot of other business, but the credit repair is my main business. You know what I'm saying? And I also still have a job. You know what I'm saying? So I can't quit my job until my business make a certain amount of money. You know what I'm saying? So, and the job that I do, I'm a salesman. So if anybody trying to be if y'all are an entrepreneur, the first thing of business is sales. You got to know how to sell. So I've been in that field for about 5 or 6 years. So I'm good with communicating. I'm good with talking to people. You know what I'm saying? I know how to sell, but I'm working on my skills to get better at sales. You know what I'm saying? So I'm investing into myself. I'm investing into mentorships. You know what I'm saying? I'm an investor. So if I want to make myself better, I got to invest into myself. And it's the same thing y'all got to do. If you want to make yourself better, you want to change your situation, you have to invest into yourself. You know what I'm saying? Whether that's mentorship, coaching, whatever it is. You want to work out, you need somebody to help you work out, you got to invest. So a lot of y'all think the stuff is free, and it's not. You might get a little bit of free, a little bit, but the rest you got to pay. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not scared to invest into myself because I know what I want in life and I know what I'm trying to do. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, man, do what makes you feel happy. You know what I'm saying? This will make me happy, working out, working on myself, becoming a better person, self-development. You know what I'm saying? Being the best that I can be, the best version of me. And constantly invest into my business, constantly learning more stuff about my business. Because even though I got a business, I don't know everything about it. I know most things about it, but not everything. You know what I mean? So I'm steady investing, I'm steady up late nights, learning, taking down notes. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of entrepreneurs that y'all see, some of them not gonna tell you that. You know what I'm saying? This shit is not easy. You know what I'm saying? If it was so easy, everybody would do it. Everybody would do it. So the most important thing everybody should worry about, number one, is your health. Number one is your health. I don't give a fuck how much money you think you got. If your health ain't up there, or if it ain't good, money is useless. So number one thing, work on your health. Make sure you eat healthy. You know what I'm saying? You can't eat greasy, fat foods all the time. You can't eat tater chips. You can't drink pop all the time. You know what I'm saying? You got to learn how to balance that stuff out and substitute for something that's good for you. You know what I mean? So, and another thing, the number two thing you should also focus on is your credit and your business credit, man. Those are two most important things. Health and credit. You should be up on credit every single day. You should be up learning about credit, paying money to learn about credit, getting close to people to learn about credit, how you can use credit to take your life and your family life to another level. Credit is the key to getting rich. You can't do nothing without credit. I'm talking about nothing. You can't get into real estate without good credit. Well, you can do like wholesale real estate and stuff like that. But eventually you're gonna want your own property, so you're gonna have to have some decent credit. And if you want nice cars, and you're gonna have to have credit. Every establishment that's out here, whether you see Pizza Hut, Ross, Walgreens, that's coming from somebody who having good credit, and they went to go get a business loan to build that establishment. So once they got that business loan, they build that establishment. Now that establishment is making them cash flow. It's all about investing into cash flow assets. It's all it's about. It's all this world. Well, I ain't gonna say all, but most of this world is buying stuff. You know, getting assets. You know what I'm saying? Making your net worth. You know, building your net worth. You know what I'm saying? And also getting connections with people. Getting connections is the number one thing too. I ain't gonna say number one, but it's one of the things. You gotta have good relationship with people. You know what I'm saying? My focus on my relationship is with these banks. And getting close to people who know how to flip the money. Even though I know how to flip the money, but I wanna venture off and get my own hotel. I wanna eventually get my own restaurant. You know what I'm saying? That's one of my goals. I eventually wanna give me a 30,000, 20,000 unit on an apartment complex or something. That's my goal. That's what I want to do. I want to build assets. I want to get assets. I want to invest my money into making myself better. You know what I'm saying? Just like I told you, I just got out of prison a few months ago. And I was already on this path that I'm on right now. It's just that was like a little small pause in my life. Now I'm over that. Now that time is done. I did a few months in there. Now that time is done, it's over with. I put that shit behind me. Now I'm looking forward. I'm looking forward now. I'm not finna dwell what happened or what coulda, shoulda, woulda, none of that. I'm going forward in life. You know what I'm saying? And that's the reason why I'm making this vlog. That's the reason why I'm on YouTube, because I want y'all to see the behind the scenes. I want y'all to see me. Right now, I'm at the bottom. I'm at the bottom right now. And every day I get on social media, and every time y'all see me, y'all gonna see me going up. And I hope y'all writing these notes down, taking notes, and I want y'all to come up with me. If you're watching this video, I don't want you to stay at the bottom. I don't want you just watching me. Take notes. Comment. Subscribe. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what's going on in your head. Let me know what you need me to do, what you need me to help you in. I got my own credit repair business. If you need help with your credit, just comment. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? And it's not free. So I just don't want y'all to get confused. Like, is it free? No, it's not free. You know what I'm saying? My basic package is $500. You know, that's just a basic package of getting your credit repaired. That's a one-time fee. You know what I mean? If you want funding, if you need funding like personal funding or business funding, that's a premium price. That's gonna run you from anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000. You know what I'm saying? And that's with the credit repair. That's with the credit repair. But if you don't need credit repair and you want to try to get some funding, use some trade lines, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna work something out. We can negotiate a price. You know what I'm saying? But anything I do is not free. I just want to let y'all know that. I'm gonna leave all the links below. You know what I'm saying? So you can get in contact with me. I got a credit repair ebook. It's only $50. Well, it's not $50 no more, but it's like $39.99. So yeah, the ebook is like $39.99. You can get the ebook and learn how to repair credit, and then you can start making money. Everything I do is about money. Everything I do is about money and elevation. Everything. I love to learn. I want to keep learning. I'm not too good to not keep learning. I'm always curious of what stuff is going on, how you do this, or I'm always curious. I'm always doing my research. I'm always doing that. So, just like I say, man, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.
All I'm saying.